Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Toncat token. Now these Ton meme coins on the Ton blockchain are very popular lately. They're definitely trending. This one has a huge market cap. A lot of them start with T or Ton and then an animal's name. So this one is Toncat, ticker symbol Tcat. Today I'm also going to be uploading a video on another meme coin that is trending. You know, it's been trending #1 today, called the T-Dog token, which is kind of a play off of this token. So check out T-Dog. But this video is specifically going to be about Toncat. We're going to go over the information on this token, how you can get it, all that type of stuff. We're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. Toncat on Ton is the address for the Twitter there. 102 tweets so far. Has a link to their Telegram right there. A link to their webpage, toncat.space. You can see it's a fairly new project. Just joined Twitter June 2024. 1,792 Twitter followers. And it says in their pinned tweet, huge announcement. Tcat and TSE will be joining together to build the biggest Ton blockchain bot on Telegram. Join the movement, and then it has a link to their Telegram. So check that out in their pinned tweet there. That's their biggest announcement, it seems like. And their Telegram here, if you go over to @TheRealTcat, they have 2,905 members on there. 1,054 of them are online. And it says crypto has the potential to shift from a PvP, which is player versus player, to a PvP, player pump player mindset, transforming it from a competitive battleground into a collaborative ecosystem. So that is one of their goals there. And then their webpage, if you go over there, you're going to see an NFT collection section. It says that is coming soon, so that's not out yet. They have a Telegram. They have a price chart, and they have a buy Tcat button that will take you over to Dedust. We'll get to that in a second. So it says Toncat is the first cat in the Toniverse. In a crypto world full of PvP, Ghost Movement is creating a world for PPP. And then they have a link to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Twitter, Telegram, and a buy button. Now, it says how to buy. So if you're not familiar with how to buy these Ton meme coins, we're going to go over that right now. And there's a blender going on in the back. Just be aware of that noise there, unfortunately. But it says how to buy Tcat. Follow these steps or watch a video. So they actually have a video tutorial on this page, so you can check that out. So basically, you have to download a wallet that's going to store Ton tokens. So it says Tonkeeper is one of the market leaders in Ton wallet, so you could download that. You can get it on your iPhone, Android, or get the Google Chrome extension. Then it says buy Ton through Tonkeeper or transfer it to your wallet from an address like from a central exchange. Now there is a ton of central exchanges in the description box down there that you could use to purchase Ton, like MEXC Global, CoinEx Global, Bybit. Those are all in the referral codes in the description box down there, so check those out. So you would buy Ton, transfer it to your wallet on Tonkeeper. Then you would visit Dedust, a DEX website. So there's Ston.Fi and there's Dedust, which are the big two decentralized exchanges for the Ton blockchain. Then using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, toncat.space, you would trade your Ton for the Tcat token using that contract address and your Ton. And then that is it. So it says, Player Pump Player, our mission is to revolutionize the crypto community by fostering a culture of mutual support and growth. We are dedicated to moving beyond the competitive player versus player mentality, promoting a cooperative environment where all participants can thrive. Through transparency, integrity, and collaboration, we aim to build a sustainable ecosystem that benefits everyone involved, ensuring a fair and inclusive future for the crypto world. So they have frequently asked questions if you want to learn more about PPP. What's the contract address? How do I bridge to Ton? How can I view the chart? You can view the chart on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. It says it is up 42.1% according to DEX Tools. Token price is around 2.9 cents per token. You can find this token on Ton Viewer, which is like a Solscan or Etherscan. Now they're trending number 4 right now on DEX Tools. They have a market cap of $29 million. They have $648,240 in liquidity in Dedust. They have 3,290 holders so far. They have a circulating supply and total supply of $988.16 million. Million tokens, not dollars. And they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $1.55 million. In Dedust, they have 42.55 thousand pooled Ton, which is equivalent to 11.49 pooled Tcat tokens. Now, it says here that they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 87.9% out of 58 votes. And on DEX Screener, it says that this token pair was actually just created 4 days, 19 hours ago. So still a fairly new token, huge market cap, and big 24-hour trading volume. Yeah, this token just seems to be doing very well. But a lot of these tokens, they have similar names, and they're all trending. So T-Dog is trending number 2 on DEX Screener. Tcat's trending number 4 on DEX Screener. I was just accidentally looking at Tcat or T-Dog there for a second. Sorry, what did I just say there? This token was actually created 10 days, 20 hours ago, not 4 days. Sorry. I apologize for that. But yeah, besides that, I mean, everything else I said was right. Yeah, this token here doing very well. TSC, that they announced their partnership, they're trending number 5, which is Ton Season is the name of that token. And I will most likely upload a video on Ton Season later on today too, if we talk about that token, what that's all about, because that has a huge market cap as well. And it seems like it is Ton Season right now with all these new tokens. So definitely go check out these new Ton coins. I'm going to be doing info videos on a lot of the most popular ones on this channel in the next couple days, so stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check out all the referral codes in the description box. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.